Amazon kitchen gadget that you need. This is the WantJoin blender, and it's perfect for making hummus. First things first, let's add half of a cup of tahini. Then what we are gonna do is we are gonna juice 2 lemons. Now with the chickpeas, we are gonna have to strain them first because we're gonna use some of that juice later, just not all of it, and put all of our chickpeas inside. Next up, we are gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. Then we are going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then we're gonna add a little more of the juice from inside the chickpeas. Next, we're gonna add half of a teaspoon of salt. And then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin. And then we are all ready to put it in our WantJoin blender, and let's see how smooth we can get this hummus. This is such a fast and easy recipe thanks to the WantJoin commercial blender. Let's see how our hummus turned out. And just like that, you have hummus in a little over 5 minutes. Look how delicious this came out, and I'm so excited to try it. Let's see how it came out. It came out great, and I'm so surprised that I was able to make this in a blender.